So here's hoping that everything around me is set up the way that it needs to. Hello and welcome back. Welcome back. I know we took a little bit of a break. I know we needed it, to be honest. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about January intentions, exactly what that means, how you can set an intention, why you should set an intention, and how that can actually benefit you by doing that first thing at the very beginning of the year. So if you've been curious about setting intentions, then why don't we just dive right in? Hello everyone. Well, first of all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. I know we took a little bit of a breather, and in a separate video, I think that I will go into a little bit more detail as to why my mental health absolutely needed that. But right now that we made it into the new year, well, first of all, Happy New Year. If you are new here, consider subscribing. My name is Meshi, and here on this channel, we talk about anything intentionality, homeschooling, motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, all of the fun stuff. So if that interests you, well, you know what to do. You can hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I release a new video. But in today's video, we're talking about intentions and exactly what that is and why you should set one. So I like to think of intentions as a twofold type of thing, because I think that at the very beginning of the year, it's sort of like a new chapter, a new beginning, a fresh beginning that starts. It's almost like a clean slate that begins at the very beginning of the year. And you have 12 months ahead of you to sort of not only set the intentions, but also set some proper goals. And goals and intentions are two separate things, at least in my mind. So intentions, if you've heard about them, but you're not really sure what that means, basically intention is just sort of, I like to think of it like you're sort of setting a filter that you're funneling everything through. An intention is being very clear of what it is that you desire and what it is that you desire to create within your life, and what no longer really serves you or what doesn't fit into that category. And unfortunately, if we don't ever set any intentions, then it can just feel like we're sort of aimlessly, directionlessly moving through our years. And so you might be setting goals that are completely inappropriate for you because you didn't set the initial intention for what you're going to be funneling those goals through. So the two are absolutely connected, but the main difference is that think of intentionality or intention as a conscious choice that only you can choose for yourself. And it's conscious, as in you choose it. And once you have set that intention, then all of the things, all of your decisions, everything that you create around yourself, everything that you tolerate, the relationships that you build with people, the way you treat people, the way that you think, the way you behave, the way you treat your health, like in every single category of your life, that one intention can sort of be applied to, which is sort of like the best way I can describe it is when you set a filter on Instagram. So the moment that you set that filter, then it changes the color of that picture of whatever you're looking at. Well, an intention can actually work the same way, except you can actually use that for your advantage. So the reason why I wanted to talk to you about this now is because the more conversations that I had with people, the more I really realized that most people have no idea what intentionality is or why they should set intentions. And it very much just felt like it was more of a buzzword for most people rather than something that is very sacred that they should really take seriously. And also, we can kind of move into how to set proper goals. And I mean, I'm going to be talking to you a lot about goal setting and not just organizing, but how you can sort of structure things in your life so that they become more of what you want to create. It becomes more of a conscious decision rather than just, I just set a new goal. Check mark. I think we've all done that before, where we're setting goals that are completely inappropriate for us because social media has told us, or just outside influences that have really come in and they're really influencing us to be a certain way. So if you want to kind of move away from that, then I highly recommend that you get a little bit more intentional. What you will need is a piece of paper and a pen and start asking yourself some questions. I will leave a few questions in the comment section or in the description below that will it will just sort of get the wheels moving a little bit more. You can, of course, use, any of the online tools that are available of how to set an intention. My recommendation is really start with something very simple. Set 1 or 2 words that would sort of describe how you want to feel for the year. And then after that, you can sort of start complicating things. But for now, start with 1 or 2 words that would really describe how you actually want to feel. And you always want to connect your intentions back to emotions, because emotions are not tangible, but it's an emotion. It's an energetic state. So intentionality very much goes hand in hand with how our energetic way of being is. So like the higher your frequency is, the more you can kind of move towards that expansive state of being. So think of intentions as a way for you to sort of get there. And if you're completely brand new to intentions, like I said, I will leave some resources in the description so you can get started. And in my next video, we're going to be talking about goal setting. So now that we sort of described the difference between intentions and goal setting, I will give you a few tips that I think will help you, and it has helped me in the past when it comes to setting goals. This is all I wanted to share with you guys. It's sweet and short and to the point. Hope this was actually giving you some basic ideas of what intentionality is versus what goal setting is. And I would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below if you have set intentions, or if you have picked a word of the week, a word of the year for yourself. I would love to know. Let me know in the comments. Maybe I will leave my intention or my word of the year in the comments so that it can kind of give you an idea of what direction I'm going to be going into the future. And that's all I have for you. I'm so glad to be back. I'm so glad that you stuck around here with me. If you are here, thank you so much. It means the world to me. If you enjoy videos such as this one, you already know what to do. You can give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel if you are brand new. And I will see you again in my next video. But before that, just remember, keep shining, you guys. You're just so much more powerful than you think. And I will see you again next time. Bye.